Did you know that the first high-level programming language was called Fortran? Developed in the 1950s. Fortran, short for Formula Translation, was designed to make complex scientific calculations easier. It allowed programmers to write instructions in a more human-readable form, instead of using low-level machine code. Fortran's influence can still be seen today, especially in fields like engineering and physics, where it's used to run simulations and process data. Even though many new languages have emerged since, Fortran remains a powerful tool for scientific computing, showing that some classics truly stand the test of time.